Hi, I'm Cullen.
And I'm Elitia, your favorite relationship coaches of WhenLoveWorks.
We'd like to invite you out to Dumbo, Brooklyn this coming weekend, Saturday the 15th from 3 to 8 for the LoveWorks conference.
This conference is perfect for everything. It is specifically TLC for your relationships. So whether you are single, engaged, dating, married, come out to TLC, the LoveWorks conference this weekend, Saturday, February 15th. We have everything for a full day of immersion in all things love. Cullen and I will lead you in a healthy couples workshop, and then you'll have a love letter writing workshop with our very own Love Inc. founder, C.K.Alexander, and then you'll be immersed in a food experience with personal chef Shaw-nae, blind food tasting, and a full meal catered by her and her company, Say Grace. You'll also take away a swag bag full of goodies. Just add honey, tea kits, Zenfully Living kits. Kits from us, kits from Love Inc. We could not give you more of an immersion, full immersion in love. So come out to TLC Saturday, February 15th.
Yep. So get your tickets now and visit the link in the bio.
See you there.